Gusto ko talaga magkaroon ng isang parang kanta na pwede siyang kantahin sa isang kasal, pwede mong kantahin sa jowa mo. And for this one, I wrote it for Bingling talaga, si Bingo at si Caroline. Kasi at the time, hindi pa namin alam talaga kung saan papunta yung storya. So sinabi lang yung description ng characters ni Donnie tsaka ni Belle. And then, sabi nga nila na I have to write a song for the official soundtrack. So I came up with Iyo. So yung unang line pa lang, minsan kung kailan hindi hinahanap sa kadarating. It's really for Bingling. And now, nagagamit na rin siya sa Snoop at Irene na mga ganap. So, totoo talaga eh. You never know when true love is gonna find you. So, it's something I feel like everyone can also relate to. So, ayun, yun yung inspiration for Iyo. It's really based around the characters of Can't Buy Me Love.